You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK-85 transmitting from a weather tower in Norman, Oklahoma, and broadcasting on a frequency of 162.400 MHz. The station serves the central portion of Oklahoma. You can visit our website at www.weather.gov. If you have anything to say about our broadcast, visit the National Weather Service website at www.weather.gov. To report severe weather, contact your local authorities. They will send a report to the National Weather Service. The current time is 7:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. These are the 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time conditions across the central portion of Oklahoma. In Oklahoma City, a thunderstorm was reported. This thunderstorm is capable of producing very deadly tornado emergency for Oklahoma City. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for Canadian County in central Oklahoma, Blaine County in central Oklahoma, northern Grady County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Logan County in central Oklahoma, until 9:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located over Garfield County, or south of Grant County, moving southeast at 57 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Oklahoma City. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, extremely violent tornado. Source, emergency management and law enforcement officials confirm tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. You could be killed if not in an underground shelter. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be completely destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Spencer, Tinker Air Force Base, Union City, War Acres, Yukon, Mustang, Midwest City, Luther, Jones, Forest Park, and Arcadia. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To repeat once more, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.